Good morning you guys, welcome to Vlogtober day 23. I'm up and ready for the day. As you can see on the screen now, I just went to a PT session with David this morning and we started a new program and I'm definitely stronger than I was, which is good. I can tell though I'm going to be in a lot of pain tomorrow. I'm not going to be able to walk tomorrow. We were doing relatively heavy weights, so yeah, this is going to hurt tomorrow, you guys. But anyway, I'm going to shower and get ready now. Indy and I are going to film Sister Does My ASOS haul this morning. You guys, I think we'll see that over the weekend sometime. And then, yeah, I'm going to head to Brick Lane. So I'm going to get ready. So I did something rather naughty the other day and I bought these Ray jeans, which I have in black, in the blue colour, and I actually managed to nab them in, I think it might even be 2 sizes smaller. I think these are waist 22 and I think I have my other ones in a waist 24. I would say I'm not usually a 22, so if you do want them to fit a bit tight around the waist, I have to wear my other ones with a belt pretty much, unless I want to wear them low rise, which is what Ray do on all of their kind of ads and stuff for them. So it's like definitely a way you can wear them, but obviously I'm a bit short, so wearing them low rise is probably not that convenient for me. If you do want to wear them high-waisted, I would go at least 1 size smaller in these. Yeah, I would say I can be a 23, and I think I ended up getting the 24 because it was the only one available. But yes, in the black. But I'm loving the fit of these. They definitely fit a bit better. The other ones kind of have a bit of a grungy feel for me because they're so big, and I feel like the other ones are a bit longer. And the denim is a little bit just kind of softer. I don't know if that's just because I've just got these out of the box, but I'm loving these. It's a slightly different look. I love both for different reasons, obviously, but I'm definitely going to wear these today. They are a bit pricey for jeans if you're used to like high street prices and stuff, although compared to J brand prices I don't think they're quite that bad, but I so think it's worth it. Yeah, I'm glad I picked these up whilst they're still around, and now I'm like, do I want other colours? I bought a lovely pair of J brand and Elsa Hosk. They're a bit different. They're kind of tight around the waist. They haven't got this like fold detailing and stuff. High-waisted, wide leg, blue jeans. They're like a bit of a darker blue. And I really need to get them tailored. I need to get them taken up. I'm all about the baggy jeans at the moment. But yeah, looking forward. I just love baggy jeans at the moment because it's just comfy on the waist, they're comfy everywhere, but you still get the denim look. Big fan of these ones. Right guys, this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing my most Creachy outfit, and then we added this blazer because, or this riding jacket, because it's vintage and you have to wear vintage when you're going vintage shopping for good luck. So yeah, that's my outfit. We're gonna head out. We're gonna get a ramen first. Creach is definitely a ramen lover because of me. So we are 2 ramen fiends, and I've never taken Indy to a Pudo. Smash on the head for me. Terrible big sister. So we're gonna go do that because that's my favourite ramen place. I've already been this month. As you saw, I took my dad. I like to take everyone. Whenever possible, go to a Pudo. I can't decide if I really like this jacket or think it's gross. I like this one. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Okay, we initially passed this chocolate shop, but now we're intensely intrigued. So we're going in. We've just stopped for a coffee. Creach has had a successful day. Just a bit. Just a bit. Got a fun little parcel from Bare Minerals to come home to. Me and Indy have just arrived home. And it's my first advent calendar of the year. I haven't actually opened it up, I'm going to open it up. I'm going to save this for the big day. Big day, big month. But I'm excited for my 24 days of clean beauty. The Creach is going to do you a haul.
Got these glasses.
Yeah, we'll put them on.
Prescription put in.
Yeah, nice.
See.
Love it.
Some sunglasses.
Someone's going to ask about your bag, so I'm just going to say.
It's and other stories.
It's and other stories. It's nice.
Got these sunglasses because all my sunglasses never really look right on my face. But
Yeah, two-tone.
cute.
Love it.
Got some jeans all the way around.
Nice. These ones have got fun stripy blind pockets.
And they're like pockets all the way around.
Yeah, love it.
Got another pair of jeans because I really only wear like weird colourful jeans or black.
Yeah, Indy doesn't have a lot of blue jeans, so she's taking a note out of my book today.
My favourite part about these jeans is that they say bang bang style.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool.
My favourite style.
Yeah, they're nice. They fit her really nicely around the waist.
It's very like a schoolboy Vogue jumper.
Indy has words for different styles, so this one's schoolboy Vogue.
We really had quite a haul. Got this is very me, this little cropped like ruched.
Hilariously, it's actually from Tash. But I think the shop that we bought it from had customised various different shirts.
There were many a ruched shirt, but yeah.
Nice. Very Creach.
Got this lovely Guns N' Roses tee.
Nice. Very hashtag edgy.
This like 50s green baseball Letterman jacket.
You can try that one on for us.
It looks massive, but kind of works.
No, it's nice though. I like it. You pleased?
Yeah, very pleased and happy about my jeans.
Great. See in this light size. But I got myself a aviator jacket. Hi my loves. So I just finished up the vlog. Usually at the moment Zach edits them. He actually edited most of this one last night. I've just finished it off with the final clip and then I'll do all the like bits and bobs. All the bits that I need to do, basically description boxes and all that kind of stuff. Loving Zach editing for me. It's like a change in my life. And I know you guys are enjoying it too because he's less lazy than I am when it comes to editing. Oh, you guys, it's been another busy day, but a lovely one. It's been so nice to spend the day with Indy. We had a great time. Yeah, I need to show you my jacket properly and my sunglasses properly. Remind me to do that before I sleep. You can't remind me because you are watching this many hours after I'm filming this. Why is it never focusing on my face? But yeah, it's been a great day. I've had a really lovely time. Just had some dinner. Did I say I just had some dinner? Came upstairs to finish the vlog. And we're doing good on the old bullet journal this week, you guys. Tomorrow, I think our plans are going to be slightly thwarted because there are things that we need to kind of catch up with from the beginning of the week. So we kind of have shot a lot of our like brand work this week that like needed doing, and I wanted to get it done the first half of the week so I could concentrate on other bits and bobs in the second half of the week, but things need clearing up and finishing up tomorrow. So we were going to start on the house tomorrow. It's possible we might still have time. We'll see how we go. But priorities tomorrow are to finish this room, like finish it properly. So we need to put all the archive items in the boxes. Zach went to the farm today, I don't think I said. He went to the farm to retrieve some bits, including 2 large gold mirrors, which my mum and stepdad had in their last house, and they're gifting them to us very kindly, and those things can be expensive and they're gorgeous. So very happy to have those. They're probably, the reason why I want them now is because I'm going to use at least one of them probably in my kind of filming setup that I'm going to sort out at the house. Yeah, he enlisted a friend, thank you Sav if you ever happen to watch this, and they went and picked those up. He also picked up, my mum got me as a gift a long time ago, vintage kudu skull, which I've never seen, opened, looked at, because it's been kind of sitting in storage waiting for the day when I will have a house to put it in, and I'm so desperate to see it, and I think it will
It'll make my office space nice at least, even though we're not going to move into that house for a little while. So he got the kudu skull as well. But actually, most importantly, he was going specifically today because we need the rails. I had rails at uni and I was like, I could just buy new ones, but that seems silly when I've got some waiting for me at the farm. So he brought back my uni rails and I'm glad they're being put to good use again. So some of the archive stuff needs hanging in like cloth bags, which I've ordered off Amazon. So some of it will go in the plastic boxes, some of it will hang at the house. Now we've got the boxes and the rails and the stuff that we need to do the office from the farm. So that was a really big job that he needed to do today, and I'm very grateful that he's done that whilst I was living it up in Brick Lane. So that's great. We will be going around to the house tomorrow definitely, so I'll show you those things tomorrow, but I don't know that we'll be able to start the kind of ripping up of carpets and stuff. We are going to do that this week. I reckon if we don't get to it before Sunday, then we will definitely start on Sunday, but hopefully we will get to something before then. So we need to do that, and we also need to catch up on some editing. Finish the pictures from the shoot. The shoot, capital S, from the beginning of the month. We need to kind of get them finished and sent off, otherwise we could just fiddle around with those for ages, and I think they just need to, like, we just need to let them go. I think also there comes a point with picture editing when you just have looked at it for far too long and you no longer know what's correct. So I think we just need to get them sent off and get them completed. So that needs to be done tomorrow. So yeah, dressing room and those pictures, and I think those are our kind of main things that we want to finish up tomorrow, really nail. And that will be like 2 big things, I think. I'm like really happy to be finished with because I feel like I've dragged them out for ages, and it will be nice to have this space back as well. Obviously wanted to start on the house tomorrow, but we'll see how we're getting on. Anywho, I'm gonna finish up all my little bits and bobs and then probably go and join Zach and Indy. They are downstairs. Finish my evening off having a nice time with them, basically. That's my best baby there. Yeah, no, I had it as well. When you talk to someone else. Yeah. That's my best baby. Hi love, so it's that time again. It's time to go to sleep. I am very excited to sleep. I'm going to do a little bit of reading before I go to bed, but yeah, it's been a wonderful day, had such a nice day, and looking forward to showing you guys the bits that Zach brought back yesterday, and I'm also looking forward to doing, tomorrow, brought back tomorrow. I'm going to show you them tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Tomorrow is our week mark. I would say it's gone really quickly, but I feel like we went to Devon about 16 million years ago. Anyway, thank you guys for watching today. I will see you tomorrow.